While many new products are helpful, these amazing inventions are on another level. Chair tank. Ever seen a chair that's built like a tank? Not only is it a lifesaver for lazy guys, but it offers disabled people a chance to be as active as possible in menial activities while allowing them to traverse rough terrains that a regular wheelchair can't tackle. Firefighter robot. What could possibly be cooler than a robot? A firefighting robot. It's also designed to rescue civilians that might be trapped in a burning building or underneath debris by pulling them out ever so gently with its mechanical arms and loading them onto its conveyor trolley. This way, human firefighters don't get hurt while rescuing others. Smart car cover. If you're the kind of person who can't be bothered to put up a tarp over their car after every drive, then this smart cover is for you. Once you mount it on the roof of your car, with just the push of a button, your car will be covered and protected within seconds. Reaper wheels. At first glance, these wheels look pretty crazy, and yay, they are crazy, but effective too. Apparently, they are built to ensure smooth rides over muddy roads. Plus, unlike normal tires, they don't get stuck in the mud and would have other drivers green with envy. Morphing vise. Say goodbye to generic vices and hello to the morphing vise. No matter what object and shape you throw at this vise, its pivoting teeth and jaws will grab onto it perfectly. The fractal nature of the vise is based on an antique design and makes other vices look dumb. JBB tool. This stainless steel tool comes in handy as the ultimate hacker's accessory. Not only can it be used for opening bottles, but it's also useful for breaking glasses in emergency situations. It's also portable, durable, and it's stainless steel. Plus, it makes for a really cool-looking keychain. Item tracker. This ridiculously convenient device is what everyone has been dreaming of. Constantly lose your car keys or remote? Just attach one of these color-coded item trackers to the object. Once you click the remote, it'll light, make beeping noises, and save you precious time. Mini turbine. This is a mini water tap turbine. Its goal is to generate electricity by converting the kinetic energy for running water to actual electricity that can be used to power electric bulbs. Yes, you can now generate power while washing your hands and brushing your teeth. Fruit picker. This picker is perfect for reaching fruits that are too high up and are yet to fall to the ground. The picker has a long adjustable handle and has a strong mesh sack. Once the button is pressed, the branch holding the fruit is cut, releasing the fruit into the mesh. Portable printer. This portable printer is so convenient that it doesn't need to be connected to a computer to work. All it needs is a Bluetooth connection to your phone, and you can print whatever you need from your phone wherever you are. It's perfect for printing labels and small business needs. Micro folding utility knife. This compact utility knife with interchangeable blades fits perfectly in your pocket, making it ideal for people who need to keep their tools close at hand. Its liner lock design makes it safe to have around without the risk of deploying unexpectedly. Geeky multi-tool. Geeky is a compact multi-tool engineered to combine common everyday tools into one sleek little body. It might look pretty simple, but trust me, Geeky has a whopping 16+ tool functions essential for everyday uses. Some of these functions include a bottle opener, closed wrench, ruler, file, and much more. Talk about small but mighty. Concrete vibrator. If you're thinking of pouring concrete anytime soon, you need to get one of these bad boys. Air bubbles can get trapped within the mixture of freshly poured concrete, which can severely compromise the cement's longevity and strength. This concrete vibrator forces the trapped air out with some very vigorous vibrations. Multifunctional hammer. This multifunctional iteration of the tried and tested hammer comes with a variety of functions. The tool can be used as a pipe wrench, adjustable wrench, screwdriver, and more. It's great for pretty much any endeavor. You can cut, pry, open fire hydrants, and of course, hammer nails.